Today we will be showing you how to install a new Energizer Industrial Lithium 48-volt deep cycle golf cart battery. Please note the information provided in this guide is for general instructional purposes only. Strictly adhere to all best practices for personal protection and the safe operation of the battery and vehicle. Engage the parking brake. Ensure that the vehicle's key is in the off position. The vehicle should be positioned on a flat, stable surface, and switch the vehicle into tow mode. We will start by removing the existing batteries and prepare the tray area. Remove the main negative cable first. Mark the main positive and negative cables with electrical tape for ease of identification later. Then remove the main positive cable second. Proceed to remove all cables connecting the old batteries to each other. Remove the battery hold-down bracket and carefully lift and remove each battery. Clear out any dirt, debris, or corrosion from the battery tray using a vacuum or a brush. There are 4 different bracket types to fit the top carts in the market: E-Z-GO, Yamaha, and Club Car. For the E-Z-GO golf cart brackets, the top bracket will sit on the metal battery box frame. Place the lithium battery on top of the brackets and line up the bolt holes. Line the bottom bracket from underneath the battery box and tighten with the included bolts. Once the battery is installed, double check that the lithium battery is switched off before connecting any cables. Connect your main power positive cables. Then connect your main power negative cables. Tighten the connections according to the torque specifications listed on the battery to ensure secure and safe connection. Connect the wire for the remote power button into the appropriate external port. Connect the battery gauge to the CAN meter port. To turn on the lithium battery, hold down the power button for 3 seconds. The power gauge should then turn on. The lithium battery remote power button and the battery power gauge is designed to be mounted into the cart. For this easy-go cart, we will be placing the power button and the state of charge gauge on the panel below the seat so as not to drill through the warning label information on the front dash. Use the appropriate drill bit, drill out a position and mount your power button and power gauge. Use a 5/8 bit for the power button and a 2-inch hole saw bit for the power gauge. A lithium-specific charger is available and can be installed in the battery compartment. Install the charger with the fan facing upwards. Ensure a minimum of 3 inches of clear space around the fan to provide sufficient cooling. This easy-go golf cart had accessories that required additional equipment to be installed. Because of that, the charger was installed on the side of the battery box, secured to the frame with pressure-treated wood. Confirm all connections and turn on the power. Switch the vehicle back to run mode.